Hi, I'm Shane Coates, Vice President Agriculture, JCB North America. Due to the unusual circumstances we face in these current times, our means of connecting with customers and showing off what's new and great with JCB have certainly changed. That's why we're pleased to bring you the JCB virtual experience. We hope you'll join us today to see what's new and great with JCB. Right now, let's meet some of the North American agriculture team.
Hi, my name is Bruce Mustard. I'm the Agricultural Sales Manager for North America, based here in Savannah, Georgia. And I'm stood in front of my favourite machine, the new Series 3 Load-All. It's my favourite because of the brand new cab, specifically designed for agriculture. It really takes the machine to the next level.
Hi, I'm Trevor Jubenville, JCB Agricultural Business Manager for Western Canada. I'm based out of central Alberta, just east of Edmonton. My favorite piece of JCB equipment is the TM420 Telemaster. It offers all the functionality of a wheel loader. It's got a great cab, easy controls, great visibility, with the functionality of an extendable boom on the front. It'll lift 17 feet 8 inches high. That means you hay guys can stack 9 bales high. How about that? And it'll lift 8,550 pounds. Truly phenomenal machine for any farming operation.
Hi, I'm Brandon Hawkins, Ag Regional Business Manager for JCB North America, covering the Mid-Eastern U.S. region. My favorite JCB product is the 525/60 Agri Compact Telehandler.
Hi, my name is Derek Prostein. I'm an Agricultural Regional Business Manager here in the Upper Midwest. I work with our dealers in parts of Iowa, Minnesota, and Wisconsin. Thanks for joining us for the Virtual Farm Show today. I hope that while you're here, you'll check out the newly redesigned 542/70, like the one behind me here at Windridge Implements in Decorah, Iowa. I know like me, you'll like the newly redesigned cab that includes new controls, a new display, and better than ever visibility. It makes an already great machine even better.
Hello, my name is David Silva, Agricultural Business Manager for JCB, based out of California. I cover California, Southern Utah, and Colorado. My favorite piece of JCB equipment is the JCB wheel loader lineup, from the 407 compact to the large 457. It's probably one of JCB's best kept secret, but I'm letting that secret out now.
Hello and bonjour. My name is Franz Reimers. I cover Ontario, Quebec, and the Maritimes as far as being the Agricultural Business Manager for JCB. My favorite piece of equipment is a 427 Ag wheel loader. That machine is tough as nails. It's extremely well built and very comfortable to operate. It'll last a long time, and therefore it is my favorite pick.
Hi, I'm Charlie Ollinger, the Agricultural Business Manager for the Pacific Northwest, based out of Montana. My favorite product has got to be the 3TS Teleskid, with the single-arm telescoping boom, side door entry, and the great visibility from the cab.
Hi, this is Alex Bone with JCB. I'm an Agriculture Business Manager in the Great Plains region. My favorite product is the 2TS7T for its compact size and extra reach.
Now that you've had a chance to meet some of the JCB agriculture team and hear about some of their favorite products, we hope you'll join us for the JCB virtual experience from our factory to your farm. Please visit jcbvirtualexperience.com, where you'll have a chance to chat live with representatives who are there to answer any questions you might have. And you'll also find some special offers. Thanks again and enjoy the show.